Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create trending glass shutter effect on InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it, guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone and make sure you have prepared your video, guys. You need to prepare a video of you that punch toward the camera, and I have prepared my video. So here I'm going to create a new project. We can choose video and then select new to create a new project, and I'm going to add this punch video. This is not my video. Actually, I have just downloaded from the internet. But for you, you can use your own video. You can record yourself, punch toward the camera. And wait, guys, I'm going to change the canvas so it can fit the canvas of this video. All right, and then I'm going to add glass shutter effect to this video. We can choose the part we want to add the glass shutter effect to. We can use this pointer to place it, but don't worry because we can still adjust the position after we added the effect. So now let's just add the effect first. We can go to the effect menu and then select effect and go to the glass category, this one, and then here you can choose glass shutter effect and adjust the value here. I'm going to make it full and click on the check mark, and then you can adjust the position according to the punch. I'm going to place it here. Okay. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. All right, and then I'm going to add shake effect as well to this video. I'm gonna go to the effect and then we can go to the shake category and choose cam shake or shake. I'm gonna choose cam shake. Okay, and I'm going to check it again. All right, and I'm going to add sound effect to this project. We can go to the audio and then select effect, and I'm gonna search for glass, smash glass. You can search smash glass. Okay, I'm gonna choose smash glass 2. All right, and let's check it again. All right, and wait, I'm going to move it here just a little bit. Okay. And okay guys, that's all the way to create trending glass shutter effect on InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.